How to fix auto rotate on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can fix if auto rotate is not working in your Android phone or you want to turn it off. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. To fix auto rotate not working, first of all you have to check the setting. Make sure that auto rotate is enabled in your settings. For that, you can simply swipe down from the top of your screen to open up the quick setting. Scroll down and here you will find an option that says auto rotate. Check if the auto rotate icon is enabled. If it is set to portrait or landscape mode, tap on it and switch it to auto rotate. So from here tap on auto rotate and make sure that it is enabled. If this still doesn't help you and if the auto rotate is still not working, you can simply restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve software glitches, so hold the power button and tap restart in order to restart your device. If that still does not help you, now you have to go to your display setting. For that, open up settings, tap on display, scroll down a bit. Here you will find an option as auto rotate screen. So make sure that you have enabled this option from the display settings as well in your device. If this still does not help you, the last option is to look for software updates. Sometimes the outdated software can cause problem with auto rotate, so you have to look for the updates. For that, again go to your settings. Once you're here, scroll all the way down, then tap on system. Then tap on software updates. Here you have to install any available updates to fix your problem. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.